A few months ago, I invested in one of those Ring doorbells. You know, the doorbell with the camera where you can even talk to people who walk up to your house. Now, I love it. There's security in knowing who's trying to come into my home, especially when I'm not there. When we have packages delivered, we can even keep an eye on those to make sure no one takes them. You see, I've never experienced a physical break in, knock on wood, but that doesn't mean that we won't. The enemy's always lurking in the shadows, just waiting for a chance to pounce. Now, as leaders of our personal and professional lives, we must always keep a watchful eye. The enemy's trying to break in physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually to throw us off track. It can be as simple as an upper limit challenge where we think we're not good enough, or we don't think we have the experience to do what's asked, or it could be something much larger. We must always keep a lookout for these attacks. Why? Because you have something valuable inside, something the enemy wants. Your walking point? The enemy wouldn't attack you if there wasn't something valuable inside. Thieves don't break into empty houses. Folks, we must be prepared to ward off these daily attacks from the enemy, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. As leaders, we should help those under our watch fight these battles as well. Everyone has value. Everyone.